Alright, so let's talk YouTube. What's this video here about, you know? Well, I'll tell you what, I watched little Mr. Freddy Fruhu, Freddy whatever Asian guy that does special effects on YouTube, and this is going to be a video response to him. His latest one was him, what was it, ninja? Shooting a ninja or something, you know, shooting these Alarmageddon, there it was. Shooting these alarm clocks, man, he's going all around. Every single turn he makes and moves or whatever, his gun's making a sound, you know. And you know what? You know what, when your gun makes a sound, that's when your gun makes a sound. You know when it doesn't? So yeah, check it out, man. Thanks for watching the video. I hope everybody kind of catches that and realizes that special effects people, they just kind of throw in a bunch of extra crap just to make it look and sound good, when really you got to be real about it and nothing is really going on. So thanks for watching YouTube. Check out my other videos. Subscribe. Check you later.